doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties. I am in the middle of a craft project that is taking way too long, so we are going to take a quick break and check out some stuff. I went to my local antique mall during the holidays, and I found this. 1960 fashion doll reproduction, Wedding Day Barbie. It was $24.99, and I just couldn't pass it up because I am in the market for a wedding dress. For no apparent reason, I just like wedding dresses. Oh wow, the rubber bands have kind of disintegrated. Ew. Under the skirt it says 1997 reproduction, and wow, check out this Barbie wedding dress. It has like a train. We're getting that retro Barbie face with blue eyeshadow and red lipstick. The doll's hair is styled in a ponytail. She has bangs, pearl earrings that are not removable. She has a veil, and we can pull one layer forward and get some cool pictures. There's a pearl headpiece, a pearl necklace, and this necklace is actually strung. The wedding dress has long sleeves. They are tulle with flowers and glitter. There's a satin bodice underneath, a full skirt with 2 layers of decorative tulle on top. There's a long layer with a scalloped edge, and then a shorter layer with a scalloped edge. The longer layer of tulle creates a small train in the back. The doll comes with white pearl shoes, something blue, wears white gloves, and has a bouquet of flowers. Part of me feels bad for what I'm about to do, which is take her wedding dress for another doll. I know. Doll collectors everywhere are screaming right now. But I gotta do it anyway, because I'm just curious to see how it might look on another doll. I picked Summer for no apparent reason. Now, the reproduction Barbie and our made-to-move Barbie had very different body types. So the fit is not perfect, but it's not bad either. I thought it was going to be very baggy in the chest, and while it is a little on the baggy side, it's not terrible. It's a very classic look. I think it's aging well. It is noticeably big in the back, but we can just cover that up with some hair. Give her the flowers, and Summer is ready to walk down the aisle. I mean, model the dress. Ooh, we can take pictures of her dress shopping with her sister. I wonder if Summer would be a bridezilla. I did pick up a few things for the guys. This is a high play 1/6 scale male figure doll suit. It was $54.99. It comes with action figure shoes. You know, it's kind of like a Bratz doll where you have to have a foot peg, like our little mini Henry Cavill lookalike. Just push on the shoe, and yeah, now he has some fancy shoes. This doll is pretty muscly, so I don't know if this suit is gonna fit him, but let's give it a try. The pants fit. The shirt fits. It has a collar, faux buttons, velcros in the front, long sleeves with little faux buttons on the cuffs. Some of the paint has been scratched off. The pants have a white pinstripe. The material is black, maybe charcoal gray. They velcro in the front, have belt loops, and working pockets. There's a faux leather belt with a silver buckle and a tie with an elastic strap for the neck. I had to remove his head to put the tie on. I would take care with that elastic strap. It is stretched a little thin. Run the belt through the belt loops. Oh, look at that. There's little faux pockets in the back. So much detail. There's a vest with little tiny buttons and buttonholes. Do they expect for me to actually button this? There is no way. But it fits. There are 3 faux pockets on the front. It's satin on the back, and there's a little buckle. Here's the jacket. We have a little pocket right there with a little bit of a handkerchief, little faux pockets on the sides. It's a little stiff, but it looks really nice. The body of the jacket is lined. It's a very nice miniature suit. Here is our custom Trevor Noah in a Barbie fashion pack suit. This one was under $10. It comes with a bow tie, Velcros in the front, and the shirt is attached to the jacket. I wonder if he can fit the new suit. Not too bad. Okay then, Trevor. He definitely has a little more room, but it looks pretty good. The belt is useful in making sure the pants stay in place. Here's the vest. I couldn't get the tie on because I was worried that I would break it. And here's the jacket. The jacket does make the shoulders huge, but I don't hate it. And if you remove the vest, it reduces some of the bulk. The pants are good length and everything. But what about an Integrity Toys doll? They're a lot taller. Here is our doll Nigel from Summer and Callie, and it looks pretty good. It is a little shorter on the arms, but not by much, and the pants are a little shorter on the legs. Here he is with the jacket. The Integrity Toys doll has a longer neck, and I think it's a nice look. I wanted to invest a little in Nigel's wardrobe, so that was my motivation in buying this suit. He's supposed to be this businessman, so he has to look the part. I got this dress on Amazon for $9.49. That's the picture, and it looks pretty close. This dress has a very full skirt with layers of lace. Then there is a tulle or netting overlay that becomes a train. It's pulled up and stitched in the front, so you could probably undo that if you wanted to. This dress velcros in the back. For a dress that is under $10, I'm not mad, but I don't know if it's the perfect dress for summer. I think we should take a look at what else is in our closet. You know I love options. Because as I stare at this photo and compare it to this dress, I think the tulle is different. Theirs looks like 2 layers, but I could be wrong. But it definitely looks a little more full. Here is a $9 Barbie fashion pack dress. It's about the same price as the last one, but it feels a little more casual. Here's a newer Barbie fashion pack wedding dress. The satin top is only in the front, whereas on the other dress, the lace did go all the way around. Here's a dress I got for $7.99 a while back on Amazon. Then I never opened it because I was worried about the glitter, but we need a wedding dress, so we're gonna take some chances. This is what it looked like on Amazon, and here it is out of the bag. And yep, that glitter is getting everywhere. The train on the dress is 2 separate pieces, and we got quite a few loose strings. While I do like the concept of the dress, I wouldn't mind taking it in a little. However, the glitter is just a little bit more than I want to deal with. But it looks pretty easy to make. Just saying. What about something a little unconventional? Like the Laverne Cox sparkly bodysuit. I think Summer could totally rock it on her wedding day. Plus, I really like the silhouette. We got this dress in a 2-piece set on Amazon. I think it was like $14. The skirt is made out of netting and the top has a layer of lace. There's no glitter. The skirt is nice and full. It's a simple yet classic shape. However, it's also see-through. But if you add a can, then it's not too bad. And it fluffs it out a little. This is the Oscar de la Renta wedding dress. I bought it at Tuesday Mornings a long time ago. It's a mermaid lace dress with a little jeweled embellishment, but Octavia wore this dress at her wedding, so that's a no. I've had this dress for as long as I can remember. It is from the Jennifer Lopez Barbie. It does have glitter, but it doesn't come off onto your hands. It fits the doll great because it was made for a Barbie. It also has a little mermaid cut. I think this could be a nice wedding dress for the doll who wants something a little different. But do they look like a couple that's about to get married or walk the red carpet? I don't know which one is the right dress. Should we go vintage, catsuit, or something else? Help me out and describe your perfect dress for summer in the comments down below. Thank you for joining us while we tried on a few wedding dresses. I will not confirm or deny that there is an upcoming wedding. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of My Froggy Stuff. And we will see you next time.